So hello friends, welcome back to the channel Enhance Your Skills. So let's start today with the new concept which is called replace function. So here you can see there are certain types of expenses like rent a car, miscellaneous services, internet expenses, but the issue is that there are certain codes mentioned in front of these text like S001, S006 which I don't want here, and I want to replace this with some text which can be code services like this. So what we have to do is we will insert one function called replace and then opening bracket. Then we need to select old text which is A2 comma. So it is asking me about the starting number. So from where I need to remove. So starting number would be my 1. If I want to remove from 2 like 001, then it will start from 2, otherwise it will be start from 1 only. Okay. Now next is comma. Now it is asking me about the numbers character, how many characters I want to remove. So I want to remove 4 numbers like S001, total count is 4, then I will mention 4. Now comma. Now it is asking me about the new text which I want to add here. Okay, so I will insert semicolon and I need to mention something like, let me mention code. Okay, now I will close the semicolons and then close the bracket. And once I enter, you can see that the number S001 is replaced with code. And now we will copy this till the end and see everything is replaced. So my next query is, my manager asked me that I don't want these types of codes as 001, and also I don't need code also written here. I only need the expense name. Okay. So what we need to do is, instead of 4, earlier we was replacing 4 digits, but now we have a space also before rent and this digit. So we need to mention here 5 instead of 4, and we need to keep it blank semicolons. Okay. So if there is nothing mentioned here, then nothing will be replaced. So this formula will work as a replace also and remove also. So if you want to replace the digit, then S001 can be replaced to code, and if you want to remove the digits, then S001 will be blank also. Okay, let me click enter. Now you see, if I drag this formula till the end, you can see that the code has been removed and we have a simple types of expenses mentioned here. So that's it in this video. So hope you find this information useful. Do provide us your feedback if you like this. Let's meet you in our next video with some new tips. Till then, enhance your skills by keep learning. Bye bye.